shave of the day for today. It's February 4th, 2018. And I did want to say thank you for joining me for the shave today. Definitely do appreciate it. Hope you're doing well. I'm not doing too bad myself here. It's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. So I want to get a Super Bowl shave in here before we go head up. We're going to go hang out with my cousin and her husband and have a good time. Just made some food in the kitchen there, getting ready to kind of get ready for the night here. I figured maybe I'd wear this. This is like my most sporty shirt. It's got number 15 on it, so whatever. Whatever, that works. Okay, so to get started here, I wanted to go through some of the equipment I'll be using for the shave today. On the hardware side, the razor I'm going to be using, my 1964 Gillette Slim Adjustable. I just figured I'd go with this one here. You know, I've been using it a little bit more recently. It's been a while, so that's the razor here. Pretty good shape here. A little bit of spotting, but that's okay. It shades just fine. The razor blade I have in here, a Polsilver Super Iridium. I believe this is the 6th use on it. 5th or 6th, so it's probably going to be the last use on it. We'll see how smooth it is. I felt pretty good the last shave, so I don't know, we'll see. But there's the razor and the blade. The brush, actually, it's my haircut and shave coat 24mm Tuxedo style now with a barber pole handle. But the soap I'm going to be using, this is the Frankensoap that I had sitting there. I kept putting on my lather in for like the past month. So as you can see, it was all kind of, very dry before, but now, a lot. Let me just whip it up here, see if I can get... There's a lot there. So I'm ready to use it up there. And aftershave I'm going to be using, just figured Aqua Velva Ice Sport. And the Balm, the Gillette Aftershave Gel. Be right back. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's some of the hardware in the soft tube using, so you can go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. Just got out of the shower, put a little hot water in the face here. Okay, let's bring this to the face here. And I can't remember quite what I'm using here. This is all the soap I used from Christmas onward. So just kind of a hodgepodge of scents. A lot of lather. Put a little too much water in it, but that's fine. Okay, so first pass with the grain here. Still not bad. And we just finally figured out what we're doing tonight. We're gonna, like I said, go up to my cousin's. Should be a good time. I'm glad we're not going too far. It's been snowing all day, and there's quite a bit of snow out there already, so hopefully it'll stop, or it won't be a big issue tomorrow getting into work. Very nice. Yeah, I really gotta say, it's amazing how the big difference blades can make. Where I'm taking swipes with a brand new blade that are just so tuggy, and this has 5 or 6 uses on it, and very smooth. To be fair though, I only have maybe a day and a half worth of growth, but still. I've even had times where it's just been a day or two, and very uncomfortable shaves. I've got with some blades, just how it goes, I guess. Okay, so that's the first pass here, so it's pretty, not a problem. Scoop a little more lather here. Go for pass 2. Oh well. A little soap never hurt anybody. Boy, there's a creamy. There's a lot of soap in that bowl. This will probably go down the sink and I'll maybe give it another month or so. But you can see saving your lather works. Second pass across the grain here. I don't know if I mentioned setting 9 on this. It just works. It just works for me. I like the blade feel when I'm shaving. Oh, cut myself there a little bit. Not much. A little. Okay. It might have been like the corner of the blade or something there because I didn't even feel it really. But, yeah. Ain't no thing. Okay, so motor along pretty good here. I am going a little bit quicker just because I actually need to go down the road and go to the store. I need some beer for the game here. What's a Super Bowl with no beer? It's only a couple miles though, so it'll only take 10 minutes. Drive there and back. Okay. Nice second pass there. Go back for 3. Oh, I'm going to scoop more lather here. Just got a bunch. Yeah, so this is Crown King and Wawa Shaving Company and Henry Avatoria, or Henri Avatoria. All those new soaps that I got. So, they all play nice, it looks like. Like I said, I put a little too much water in this, but hey, that's fine. It's coming. It's working out. There we go. For pass 3 against the grain here. Honestly, I could probably use this blade another time. It's still not bad. little more growth might be a bigger challenge for it, but still not bad. Yep, pretty good here. Okay, so that's past 3. Feeling pretty good there. Put just a little on here for pickups. Feeling good. Maybe right there. Maybe on the chin just a little bit. Next one pretty good. I'll take that. Okay, a little cold water splash here. Rinse. Very nice. Help tighten up those pores again. So if you got any, just a couple little spots, but not big. And a couple blemishes right here that I nicked, but that's fine. Okay, so Allen block. Well, here. Yep, a little feedback here. Put a little more water, actually. Washed it off by accident. Okay, that might be better now. Like that. A little irritation. So I think that blade cuts pretty decently, but it's not super smooth anymore. So we can move on to the Aftershave, the Aqua Velva Ice Sport. Good stuff here. Hey, sports night, ice sport. Okay, so Good bit of burn, but not too bad. Yep, nice. Okay. Okay, while that's drying down, we'll just go through what we used again for the shave here. So the razor, the 1964 Gillette Slim Adjustable. I definitely recommend picking one of these up if you haven't already. You can get them pretty reasonable price. Just got to look around on eBay a little bit. The blade, Polsilver Super Iridium. So it's time. Yeah, I'll probably just take it out and toss it now. Just put it on my little stack of blades for shims. So, but did a good job. Nice little blade there. Okay, and then the soap. And I still have a bunch left in here, so that'll just probably go down the sink. I don't know, maybe I'll save it. We'll see. There's just a Frankensoap of all the soaps I've used since a little after Christmas. So, hey, did a good job there. Like I said, a little too much water, but if that dries out, it'll be just fine. Again, the Aftershave Aqua Velva Ice Sport. I like this stuff a lot. And then I'll be using this Gillette Aftershave Gel now. It's like a balm. There we go. I always forget, you can't put it down like that. You gotta put it down right on the can. That's the only flat spot. That's a real nice close shave. I definitely enjoyed that. A little quicker, but hey, that's fun. Excellent. Okay, so that takes care of the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thank you for checking out the video. Definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. Definitely like seeing both. You know, if you can't do either or, if you can't leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Definitely appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for all that have subscribed. We definitely do appreciate your subscriptions. You can either do that below, or I'll leave a link you can click on right here. And I would also recommend checking out some of my older videos. I'll leave a suggested video for you right here. So again, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you have a great night. Hope you have some great shaves.